Black diamond, or what is known as carbonado, is one of the strangest and rarest gemstones on Earth. Some scientists still believe it actually originated from outer space. But the million-dollar question is, if you find a black stone that looks like a diamond, how do you know if it's real carbonado or just a piece of coal or glass? In today's video, I'm going to give you the 5 easiest home methods you can try yourself to test the sample you have. Let's start with the strangest test specifically for carbonado. Unlike regular diamonds, carbonado contains tiny impurities of iron and magnetite. Try bringing a strong magnet, neodymium, close to it while it's suspended by a thread. If you notice a slight movement or subtle pull, that's an excellent sign and your first big clue that the stone is far from ordinary. Diamond is the hardest natural material on Earth, scoring a 10 on the Mohs scale. Take an unglazed ceramic piece or a rough corundum, sapphire stone, and try to scratch it using the tip of your sample. Natural carbonado will scratch sapphire and ceramic with total ease, without getting damaged at all. Diamonds have incredible thermal conductivity, meaning they disperse heat at lightning speed. Blow warm breath onto the stone as if you were cleaning a pair of glasses. If the fog disappears in less than a single second, that's a strong indicator. But if the fog lingers for 3 or 4 seconds, it's most likely glass or an ordinary stone. Standard black diamonds are usually treated diamonds. Transparent stones treated with heat or radiation, showing some green or olive light transmission around the edges. Real, raw carbonado, on the other hand, is completely opaque. Light cannot pass through it at all, and its porous surface resembles charcoal, but with a truly unique adamantine luster. Finally, the weight and density test. The density of carbonado ranges between 3.1 and 3.4. Weigh the stone dry first and write down the number. Then, place a cup of water on the scale and zero it out. Tare. Suspend the stone using a thin thread into the water without letting it touch the bottom or sides. Divide the first weight by the second reading. If your result falls between 3.1 and 3.4, you are definitely dealing with something very close to carbonado. Of course, these are home tests and serve as a great initial indicator, but for a 100% definitive result, it's best to visit a gemological lab or use a professional diamond tester. Let me know in the comments. Are you going to try these methods? Have you ever come across any unusual or interesting stones? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any upcoming gemstone videos. See you in the next one.